YouTube, do you see what I see? She is in. Got the Skar VXF 12 sitting in there. And got my limitless battery, the Taramps Smart 3K. And my audio control, you can see right there, D4800, which is basically being used as a line out converter, you know, to control my bass. But she's in. I got the cover over here. That's for the battery slash amp rack. I'm gonna leave it off for the next couple of days because I need to do some retuning on my processor for this setup. So there'll be other videos coming, but for right now, she is in. And he that is digging it is me. 2-to-1 4th order, tuned to 45, 36 square inches of port. It is a little under 1 cube on the seal side, and it's 2.2, I believe, on the ported side. She is in there. More videos coming. Thanks for watching. Later.